Painted quite the picture. Cord did such a good job telling the forecast. Kelly behind the scenes here goes, I'm not even needed.
Yeah, I mean, he's right. Yeah, mid-70s up in the mountains when it's the 90s down here. He was correct on that. So I'll just give it back to you guys. So there's a look at Mount Hood as we set up our morning. Beautiful. You saw it in Cord's shot too. Blue skies are out. That sun shining on the summit. We still have snow on those snow fields, but any mountain climbers, that snow is getting really choppy and tough to climb, so you might not get to the summit, but be smart up there. Again, the hiking down below, beautiful heading into this part of the year here. We're sitting at 53 degrees right now. Your hiking forecast this week, not only in the mountains, but also in the gorge, where we have some beautiful hikes from areas around Portland towards Cascade Locks. We'll see temperatures more so in the mid-80s today in the gorge, the Cascades in the mid-70s. Very hot today and tomorrow if you're hiking around Portland too, but we will get some cooler days midweek here as our temperatures start to fall. Really dry conditions and sunburn, your biggest concerns out there. So make sure you are ready. Bring lots of water. We are back under a very quiet pattern here. No clouds out, no rainfall for much of the western U.S. We have that high pressure ridge that's setting up, that's pushing our jet stream towards the north, pushing a lot of those clouds in areas of Canada just out of our way here. So we're back under sunshine, and high pressure tends to be a sinking pattern. So it makes it real tough for clouds to form. So with that, lots of strong sunshine out there these next couple of days. And today's forecast heating up across the region here. In Oregon, we'll see a lot of 90s around Portland down through areas like Medford, where we continue to heat up the further south you go. Mid-90s out of Eugene, and maybe triple-digit heat today out in Medford. Take a peek out in central and eastern Oregon. We're also somewhere in the 90s. Out to Pendleton, upper 90s today. A lot of heat building on the east sides of the gorge. The Tri-Cities could also hit triple digits today. So a lot of heat east of the mountains too. A few weather alerts. There is a fire weather watch out in central and southern Oregon. Still some elevated wildfire concerns here and danger due to thunderstorms today. We could see some storms revving up around the Klamath Basin, maybe just outside the Rogue Valley here, and in this region through central Oregon into Deschutes County near Bend, where these storms could have some lightning, and that can always spark new wildfires, especially over such dry brush in this part of the state here. So there's that thunderstorm potential. It does not include Portland. We are staying in the clear, but these thunderstorms might steer right through that southwestern portion of the state heading into today. So we'll watch that closely. The Futurecast also shows that heading into maybe the later evening, maybe after dinner time, the storms might rev up again right through areas of Klamath and Lake County, just outside of Medford. We're still sunny throughout the day today. Much of the state too. Very quiet, clear weather. Warm sunshine for us. We get to Tuesday, we're back under that. No issues out in Portland. We might see that marine layer hanging on for some portions of the coastline, but still dry for us. Those storms then rev up tomorrow afternoon around Pendleton. So we'll have a couple days of that thunderstorm threat and elevated wildfire danger out in central and eastern Oregon. Here's our temperature trend in Portland, though. Hot for a couple of days. We are cooler midweek. We'll see a weaker front shifting in. More clouds. We're likely still dry, but we do get a dip in temperatures back towards the upper 70s. So some relief on the way here midweek. We then see those temperatures spike again. This weekend, we're back near 90 and the upper 80s here around the region. So be prepared for a lot of heat this week, but a bit of relief midweek. Wednesday again will be your coolest day. Cloudier too, but the heat is on today. We are back in the 90s through Tuesday, then likely again this coming weekend in Portland.
All right, Kelly, appreciate that. Coming up on